Hi, this is Carl Anderson with MarineMax Charleston off Daniel Island, and today I'm going to take you through a 17 Montauk from Boston Whaler. Starting with the profile of the boat, we have this equipped with the light blue gel coat with the chrome graphics and the silver model designator. Options on the boat, we have the rear quarter seats with the removable backrests. There's a swim platform to the port side with a telescoping ladder. The boat's powered by a 4-stroke Mercury 115. Pushes the boat really well with hydraulic steering. The helm seat has a backrest that has multiple locking positions, so you can create a leaning post or sit facing aft. And you also have a live well beneath the helm seat. Here at the helm, we've got a touchscreen from Raymarine already installed, charging ports for your devices along with cup holders, and a Fusion Bluetooth stereo. On the port side, there's a console door to give you access to batteries and storage. 2 JL speakers on both sides of the console. This boat has the fishing package, so we've got a tackle drawer storage on the starboard side, along with a compass, and rod holders in front of the console. The seat in front of the console is a cooler with a removable cushion, large bow cushion up here, and one of 2 forward lockers, including this fish box with your anchor locker just further forward. We've got the low-profile stainless steel grab rails recessed into the gunnels, which also gives us a trolling motor panel here up front. A lot of real estate to maneuver around the boat. Stainless steel bimini top with black canvas, and then the standard high rails. Again, I'm Carl Anderson with MarineMax Charleston. We're just off Daniel Island at 142 Sportsman Island Drive. Give us a call at 843-747-1889, and always visit us online at marinemax.com. Thanks for watching.